Good morning, dear students. Welcome to 31st August 2020 online class. Class 9, 10th and subject English grammar and topic model, which I have taught in the previous video also. And there I have taught many models. There now today I'm going to teach you use of model may not. Use of model may not. In the previous videos, as you know that what are models and how can we use these models in the different places with the person's actions, and these express to the person's ability, capacity, power, strength, possibility, gas, etc. Now how can we use of may not? It is used to express command in form of prohibition and instruction. Instruction, it means when someone gives you to command, and instruction, it means आपको to show this work like this way. It's a written instruction in written condition, not in oral condition. That is may not. May not is used to express command in form of prohibition, instruction in written. Which is the example here? Look example. Candidate may not bring calculator in the examination hall. Candidate may not bring calculator into the examination hall. Calculator, it means it's not allowed in the examination hall. That's why here we use here may not. Not here the must not. Must not का यूज इस सेंटेंस में हमने नहीं किया, क्योंकि इस चीज में हम जो कह रहे हैं कि इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया हुआ होता है, इंस्ट्रक्शन आप देते हो, निर्देश देते हो, तो वहाँ पर हमेशा मे नॉट का यूज किया जाता है, नॉट देयर मस्ट नॉट. नाउ यूज ऑफ माइट. It is the past form of the may also. Whenever we change a sentence direct to indirect sentence, then there is may replace and change into might into the past form. It also past form of the may, but usage is different in the sentence. Use of might. It is used to express probability of path without and to indicate future possibility. It means remote possibility, जिसकी आपको बहुत ही कम संभावना होती है कि ये काम ऐसे हो सकता है. That we say it remote possibility. And having hesitation, it means having hesitation to ask someone to take his or her object or things. It also used to express that. It also used to express that. Now use of might here you can understand it by this following example. Take a taxi, you might catch a train. Take a taxi, you might catch a train. टैक्सी हायर कर लीजिए, आपको क्या मिल सकती है? ट्रेन मिल सकती है. It means here you indicate the future possibility. Future possibility. It may be happen or it may be not. But if you take a taxi, you might. It means you might ले भी सकते हो. थोड़ा सा कम आपको वहाँ पर पूरे श्योर नहीं हो कि आपको ट्रेन मिल भी जाएगी, बट आप थोड़ा सा यहाँ पर क्या कर रहे हैं? श्योरिटी को दिखा रहे हैं कि अगर फिर भी आप टैक्सी लेते हैं तो आप उस जगह पर पहुँच जाते हैं. And here having hesitation to ask someone their objects, that there is also used might also. For examples here, might I take your phone या फिर पेन, कोमा एंड देयर इज सर. क्या मैं आपका यहाँ पर फोन या फिर क्या कर सकता हूँ? पेन यूज कर सकता हूँ सर. इट मीन्स यू आर रिक्वेस्टिंग टू योर सर and there you have also some hesitation to ask this one. That's why might is also expressed to use here. Use here future possibility, remote possibility, and express the probability of the past with the doubt. यहाँ पर आपको संदेह होता है, किसी चीज़ के लिए डाउट होता है, वो चीज़ को शो करने के लिए किसका यूज किया जाता है? माइट का यूज किया जाता है. नाउ next point there the use of would. Use of would. Now students, use of would. Use of would, it is used to express habitual action happening in the past and liking and disliking someone. Use is used to express habitual action. It means in the past times you used to do some things works which is then there the which used to would, and you can also use there the used to in replace of would. What is used also here? Used to, which express past habitual action. And liking, disliking someone, liking or disliking someone, and whenever we offer someone also use there for the models use word would. Whenever we offer someone to something, then use there would, and would is also used to ask someone, used to ask to someone what he or she will take. That's why you can understand this better by the following examples here. First example, would you like to have a cup of tea with me? क्या आप मेरे साथ एक कप चाय पीना पसंद करेंगे? Here you ask to someone his wish and offer him to have a cup tea with you. It means in this sentence you have offered someone, I will go up the hill. I would go up the hill daily in my childhood. In my childhood. Now it means you have grown up. Now you have grown up. It means there the sentence would go up the hills daily. It means past habits. In your childhood you would daily go to the hill. Now third example here. He would rather study English than Sanskrit. Liking or disliking to someone also use their would. वह इंग्लिश देन संस्कृत, इट वह है संस्कृत के बजाय इंग्लिश को पढ़ना ज्यादा क्या करता है? पसंद करता है. इट इज यूज फॉर पोलाइट रिक्वेस्ट. व्हाट इज यूज पोलाइट रिक्वेस्ट फॉर आल्सो हियर? वुड. वुड इज ऑल्सो यूज फॉर पोलाइट रिक्वेस्ट लेस देन कुड. वुड का यूज पोलाइट रिक्वेस्ट के लिए भी किया जाता है, जबकि कुड का यूज भी पोलाइट रिक्वेस्ट के लिए किया जाता है, बट लेस देन कुड. तो यूज वुड का यूज कब करेंगे? जब उसमें पोलाइटनेस क्या होगी? कुड से कम होगी, तब वहां पर आप किसका यूज करेंगे? वुड का यूज करेंगे. जस्ट हियर, वुड यू माइंड माय ओपनिंग द विंडो? वुड यू माइंड माय ओपनिंग द विंडो? क्या आप मेरे लिए खिड़की क्या कर देंगे? खोल देंगे. Here you have not requested polite request. Here you have only a normal polite request. Now, use of had to, will to, shall have to. These are words which is used to external obligation and authority. External obligation and authority. It means had to use for the past tense. Will have to and shall have to. These two words are used to future tense for the past, for the external obligation or authority. That's here for the examples. In olden day, have to, it means you have to that time do it. You have to done that work at that time. It means had to. आपको इस समय वो काम वैसे करना ही पड़ा था, यानी वैसे करते ही थे. कैसे? In olden day, we had to travel on foot. Past obligation और authority, यानी जब हम, यानी पुराने दिनों में कहते हो या बीते हुए समय में कहते हो, जब हमको ट्रांसपोर्ट की फैसिलिटीज नहीं थी तो हमको पैदल ही इधर उधर जाना पड़ता था. That's why we use there had to. And if I will use there will have to and shall have to, it means upcoming time. हमको अब ऐसा काम करना ही पड़ेगा. कैसे? We shall have to face tough competition for job in future. We shall have to face tough competition for job in future. हमें भविष्य में competition यानी जॉब के लिए जो कंपटीशन है उसमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? टफ कंपटीशन का फेस करना पड़ेगा. यानी इजीली हम क्या नहीं कर सकते हैं? जॉब गेन नहीं कर सकते हैं. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, इफ यू हैव गॉट टुडेज टॉपिक्स, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू राइट सम सेंटेंसेज which you can also solve it in your copy also. And before solving the exercise, you have to note down complete board work in your copy also. Now let me write some sentences related to the would, had to, will have to, shall have to and other models. Now it may be a complete model exercise also. Okay. Fill up with suitable models and solve the following exercise in copy. First sentence, he belonged to a poor family, therefore he does not buy a car. Second, there are clouds in the sky, so it does rain today. Third, you are very weak, you does take nutrition food. Fourth, there are not clouds in the sky, but it does rain today. Fifth, your daughter has got a first position in the board exam. She does be a very intelligent girl. Seventh, you please help me by giving me change. And 7, students attend class if they want to appear in the examination. Now students, solve this exercise and send it to me after solving in copy, and note down complete board work in copy. Thank you.